Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change brush tool color in Photopea. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see now we show the home page. Now change color brush tool. Now going to the brush tool option. Now you can see, then select from background. Now we're going to the color board option. Now we select from, now this is from red color. Now click for OK. Now try from brush tool. Now again going to the color picker option. Now select from NSS color. Now choose from green color, then choose from try. That it's. Now you can see change brush tool color in Photopea document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.